Okay, this instructional video is on angle relationships. We're going to talk about adjacent angles, vertical angles, angles at a point, and angles on a line. Now, adjacent angles are angles that share a side and a vertex. Then we have vertical angles. Pairs of opposite equal angles formed when lines intersect. Then we have angles at a point, three or more angles sharing a vertex. And angles on a line, two or more angles sharing a vertex that is on a straight line. Okay? And now for examples, the adjacent angles that share a side and the same vertex. So this is the A angle, and this is the B angle. And A and B together makes C. So when we say angle A plus angle B equals angle C, then angle C minus angle B equals angle A, and angle C minus angle A equals angle B. So this is angle A, angle B, and combined they make C. So if you took away this part, that equal A, and if you take apart this, it'd be angle B. Okay? The vertical angles are when you have these cross lines, and so these two opposite and equal angles, A and B, are the same. A is referring to the point here. Okay? And then C and D are equal. Okay? So angle C equals angle D, and angle A equals angle B. Now these down here, and I find this confusing, so just so you know, this point is A. So I'm getting rid of the big A here because I think it's kind of confusing. So the angle A is the blue. The angle B would be the green. And the angle C would be the purple. And this point in the middle is point A. Okay? So all of them all together equals 360 degrees. Okay? So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 360 degrees. And know that it can be more than 3 angles. So if they cut this up even more, it would still equal 360 together when you added all the angles together. Now, angles on a line is A is green, and the B is blue. And combined, they make 180 degrees. Okay, that's on a line. So angle A plus angle B equals 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus angle A equals angle B. And 180 degrees minus angle B equals angle A. And again, it can be more than two angles. Okay? Now, using this information, I want you to take a minute and figure out how you're going to figure out the angles for these four problems. Try and see how you do, and I'll be back to go over them. Okay, so here we are, the first one. First of all, it's important you look at the information they give you. So angle A equals 45, and angle C is 80, and the little circle means degree. So angle A plus angle B equals angle C. So if we, using algebra, if we change it, if we subtract both an angle B from both, so we can figure out what angle B is, angle B equals angle C minus angle A. So angle B equals angle C, 80 minus 45, so angle B is 35. And then if we have number 2, we know what A and C are, and these are vertical angles, so they equal each other. So A equals B, so 70 equals B, because A is 70. So angle C and angle D equal each other, so 110 is what C is, so that's what D is. Okay? Now, the next one is we have angle C is 120 and angle B is 90. So 360, when we look at this, is all of them added together, angle A, B, and C. So if we know what B and C are, 120 and 90, we're going to add those together plus angle A to see how close we are to 360. And so 190 and 120 and 90 is 310. And so we're going to subtract 310 from both sides. So 360 minus 310 is 50. So 50 is what angle A equals. Okay? Then the last one, we have 180. And we know what B is. It's 105. So angle A plus 105 equals 180. So we're going to subtract 105, and I hope you can understand that's a 105 from both sides. So 180 minus 105 is 75, which these cross out, so that's what angle A is. All right, remember, pause, go back, look at it, check your answers, and thanks for listening.